Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix PUBG Mobile no sound problem on iPhone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up PUBG and go ahead over to settings. Okay, in the settings menu, just go ahead over to audio right here. If you can't find settings, they'll be in the home page, or there will be an up arrow key. Just tap on it and settings will appear. So go ahead over to graphics and audio in the right panel and then audio. Just make sure everything right here is turned on, okay, or amped up to the right side. And once that's done, you can close the application. Now go ahead over to settings. Now in here, go ahead and find sound and haptics. Tap on it. And just make sure that ringtone and alerts is turned all the way up. Okay? Once done, go back. This time scroll up and tap on accessibility. Now in here, go to scroll down and find audio and visual. Scroll down and find balance. Okay, just make sure that this one is set to 0.00. And also, headphone notification is turned on. And after that, go ahead and open up PUBG and check if it helps. If that still will work, just make sure that your phone is not muted. Try to flick this button right here, okay? This cute button on your iPhone. Flick it, you'll be able to see muted or unmuted. Just make sure that it is unmuted. Then go ahead and play PUBG and you should be good to go. That is how you fix PUBG Mobile no sound problem on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.